welcome back to my channel. So we are opening again for part by blind boxes. So let's open now. I'm really excited. I buy it now. What it will be? Ah, it's a cute demon bag. That has a things around it. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. So let's open this. What is will be? I don't know. It's Scarecrow. That's cute. So let's open these. So let's see the Scarecrow. That has a mask on the top and the Scarecrow that has a no legs around his bodies and the heads. There's no legs. I found the ears. Let's put it down so I can. It's a demon Scarecrow, I think. Let me check how it's works. It works. It's to Alright guys, see you. We got a demon Scarecrow with his tools. See you guys.